Hi everyone, everyone loves bacon. We have some chickens. We're going to show you our chickens today. We hatched off some new chickens and we got some other ones growing. We're going to give you an update on what we've been posting. So here's batch one. We got 30 babies up in here. Alright, we'll come around to these. It's been a while since we posted an update on these, but these done got really big if you've been watching my channel. I let them out the cage every day. They yard trained. I call them and they come like dogs. We got about 26 in here right now.